What's the meaning of banditry? Banditry. Banditry.
Banditry. Banditry. Banditry refers to the criminal practice of engaging in armed robbery, stealing, or looting by a group of bandits or outlaws who often operate outside the law. Banditry is typically associated with rural or remote areas where law enforcement is weak and poverty is prevalent. This type of criminal activity can have severe consequences for both individuals and communities, including loss of property, injury, and even death. Many governments and law enforcement agencies around the world are actively working to combat banditry through increased patrols, improved intelligence gathering, and better community outreach and development programs. However, this remains an ongoing challenge in many parts of the world.